We are burning up the orders here. So the trick here is to see if it stays within the overhead resistance zone and starts to come down.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning. It's September 8th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Japanese PM Ishiba resigned as LDP president, triggering an emergency leadership vote on October 4th. US President Trump named Waller, Warsh and Hassett as Fed chair finalists, and US-China trade talks remain stalled on the fentanyl issue. European stocks are positive, US futures flat, JPY weak, and gold hit a record high. OPEC will raise October oil output by 137,000 barrels per day. Key data ahead includes US jobs, NY Fed SCE, and France's confidence vote. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Okay, so starting with the currency pairs, let's see what we can scalp today. Aussie US dollar, last signal was last Friday, so nothing to do there. We're currently in a little bit of a squeeze, so we'll wait to see if anything emerges out of that. US Canadian dollar, looks like the last signal was right before 3 a.m. And
Of course, it was right before 3 a.m. because everybody's up
yeah,
at
I
3
know.
a.m.
That's because I was sleeping, so there was nothing to do. He would have gotten stopped out anyway here. It fired and then hit back and hit the stop, but eventually made it. So depending on how you structure your risk, you could have maybe made money on this particular deal. But the way I do this, pretty sure that I'm using multiples of the average true range for stop loss and profit target. If you stuck to that discipline, you would have gotten stopped out on that one. This one, on the other hand, you would have made money. USD chief. So right now we are in a squeeze on that one as well. So we'll see if anything happens with that. Pound to dollar, same thing, fired around 3 a.m. Made it about 3/4 of the way there, got stopped out at the trailing stop. So this one actually made some money out of all four of those scalp opportunities.
Last night was pretty quiet.
Yeah, it was very quiet. It was very quiet. So we'll see how that all changes. All right, going to support and resistance trading. If we look at Aussie US dollar, we have a situation here where we have penetrated overhead resistance, and then that was followed by high volume right here. We are burning up the orders here. So
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
the trick here is to see if it stays within the overhead resistance zone and starts to come down. So that's what I would have my eyeballs on right now. I would just keep an eye on that. Moving on to US Canadian dollar, we bounced off overhead resistance here have been slowly moving to the downside. We got a volume spike right there. We have a weak support area right here where we're hovering. It would probably behoove you to just keep an eye on this. This is going to do one of two things. It's going to probably either drill down and then maybe pause here, or it will ricochet off of this and go up to the upside. I don't think it's going to go all the way up to here. I think it's going to go to there and then maybe do that. So really either this and this or something of this nature. On that one, keep an eye on that. USD chief looks, we've been just in a steady decline here. Looks like support, but we've broken through. So it's continued to go down. Very likely that will keep going until some other area of support emerges. But right now, you don't have any support underneath that? Okay. All right. So we'll see what happens there. And then last but not least, pound dollar. Almost like Aussie dollar. It broke into overhead resistance. Then there was a spike in volume. Hasn't poked through yet. So this puppy's either going to do this or it's going to do this. So
It'll probably bounce a little bit.
yeah, that's what I'm seeing on that. And that's all I got for today.
It's a nice
All right,
early, quick Monday.